Hey everyone, so this is day 6 of the advent calendar opening, so let's just get straight into it. I hate having to open these. I'm always afraid I'm going to split one. So it is another glitter, and this is called Lolly. So let's have a look. Ooh, oh, there's a bit everywhere already. So it looks like it's definitely a hexagon mix, and there's some dots in there as well. So let me just get this. Oh, sorry about that, my camera decided it wanted to shut off. So this is the glitter mix. So it's got all different kind of shaped hexagons, and it's got dots in it and that, and it's like a purpley colour base, even though I threw it everywhere. But I will post a picture at the end. It's really pretty. So let's do the nail polish next. Always seems impossible until it's done. Yeah, ain't that the truth? So what have we got today? Ooh, now that is coming across brighter on camera. I will try and adjust the picture so you can actually see what it looks like. But it's called Lucky 7. It's hard to sort of try and maneuver it where you can actually see what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, everywhere. Got it everywhere already. Yeah, it's not as bright as that. It's darker than that. But it's really pretty. Really pretty. I really like that colour. Very pretty. And then the last one is this one. And let's have a look and see what it is. So it's assorted acrylic rhinestone shapes. So they look like they're going to be quite sparkly. I don't want to drop nothing else. Oh, well, they are definitely sparkly. Let's see if I can dig some out. So there's stars, there's hearts, squares, butterflies, triangles, little reminds me of paisley, just there. They're really sparkly. Some of them have turned over the other way, but they are really sparkly, and they're actually really small size, so they will actually be perfect for my size nails, because as you all know, I've got really thin nail beds. I haven't got much of a nail bed at all, but look how sparkly they are. Wow, I really like them. So there you have it. That is day 6. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below of what I got today. And yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the video so far. And yep, hopefully you will join me tomorrow and we'll open some more. Well, thank you so much for watching. I will post some pictures at the end. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye.